Palnut brand push-on fasteners are single-piece fastening solutions that provide a good balance between maximum holding strength and minimal push-on force. Round, special-shaped, and threaded stud options are available. A. Raymond Industrial also offers decorative push-ons for applications where unsightly stud ends need to be hidden. Attachment is quick and easy. A stud on one panel is inserted into a hole of the mating panel. Once positioned, the fastener is placed over the stud and pushed on with one simple motion until it hits the base of the panel. The inner teeth engage or bite into the stud as the fastener is applied, robustly holding the two panels together. No tools are required, eliminating time-consuming assembly operations. Palnut push-ons can be used to retain small components on a broad range of applications, such as domestic appliances and HVAC systems. Their low-profile design also allows parts to be used in small mechanical and electrical devices. Decorative style push-ons are used in toys, lawn carts, and coolers with axles. A. Raymond Industrial fasteners allow you to replace traditional fastening methods with innovative